Hey, how you doing? So listen, I know pretty much everybody likes potatoes, right? But the question is, are the potato skins good for you? Well, I got the answers right here, so hang in there because here we go right now.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, hope to find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. And remember, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. This way you don't next I come out with a video. And a thumbs up always helps. I appreciate everybody stopping by. Thanks again. I'm glad you're all back. Don't forget to leave your comments. I definitely get back to you when you leave your comments. So yeah, today I want to talk a little bit about potato skins. Now, a lot of us eat potatoes different ways: mashed, boiled potatoes, French fries, all that kind of stuff. Even sell potato skins, the potato skins themselves, loaded potatoes, all that kind of stuff. But the question's always been, is the potato skins actually good for you? All right. So I got a little article here is going to explain kind of everything about that. So here we go. Are potato skins good for you? Potatoes are the undisputed king of the vegetable world. They're almost universally loved and are featured in cuisines everywhere. Americans alone eat on average a staggering 126 pounds of potatoes per year per person. Potatoes show up on our plates in a variety of forms: hash browns, French fries, mashed, or au gratin, and usually appear pale or golden because they've been peeled. Have you ever wondered why it's so common to peel our potatoes? And what about those skins? Besides being tasty, potato skins are very nutritious, even more so than the rest of the potato. Potato skins are an excellent source of fiber, which is crucial for a healthy digestive system and are known to help prevent colon cancer. They also contain healthy doses of vitamin C and vitamin B6, with one average sized baked potato, skin included, providing almost 30% of the daily recommended intake of those vitamins. So 30% of your daily intake of vitamins is in that potato with the potato skin on it. Potato skins are also loaded with minerals, including magnesium, potassium, calcium, copper, iron, and zinc. These minerals are vital for bone structure and strength and important for managing blood pressure. While there has been some concern about health risk associated with certain chemical compounds found in potato skins, unless you eat a dozen of potatoes in a sitting, there's nothing to worry about. The nutritional benefits of potatoes eaten in moderation, say 1 to 3 a day, far outweighs the potential risk of Rita Story, a registered dietitian who is the media spokesperson for the American Dietitians Association. What the hell is that all about? The nutritional benefit of potatoes eaten in moderation, say 1 to 3 a day, far outweigh the potential risk. Okay, so Rita Story, a registered dietitian who was the media spokeswoman for the American Dietetic Association, told Los Angeles Times. She does not recommend peeling potatoes, with the exception of areas that appear green or with sprouts. If the potatoes look good, just wash them vigorously under running water and use them in moderation. So pretty much they're good for you, just use them in moderation. Don't eat a whole freaking dozen of them. Organic potatoes maximize the health benefits. Conventionally grown potatoes are known to carry substantial amounts of potentially harmful pesticide residue and have made the environmental working groups list for multiple years in a row. The potato skins are prepared in a health-conscious way, aka not loaded with butter, cheese, sour cream, and bacon. Potato skins are actually a nutritious, low-calorie food. Go ahead and enjoy them guilt-free. So there you have it. It's pretty much the skins are loaded with nutrients, Make sure you wash them clean. They make a brush, some kind of brush. You can actually clean off the skins with them. Cook them up with it. If you make French fries, just slice up the potatoes and cook them that way. It's hard to do with mashed potatoes unless you like the skins in the mashed potatoes. Usually, you boil them and peel them. and put them in. But they're saying it was good for colon cancer. Got vitamin C, vitamin B6 in there. So basically the answer is yes. Potato skins are good for you. Definitely eat them, but don't overdo it. You know, and I don't know who can actually overdo potatoes. Who can actually eat that many potatoes? They're gonna overdo it. You know what I'm saying? Once or twice a week, 2 or 3 a day, whatever you got to do, and just don't overload them with all that butter and sour cream and salt and pepper. You know, because that's just like crazy. But that does make them taste good too. I mean, I like a little sour cream, butter, salt, pepper on mine. You know. How about double baked potatoes? You ever have that? We actually bake them or boil them, cut them in half, take out the insides, mash them up, put them inside, and then cook them again. Maybe a little cheese on it. Nah, that's awesome. That tastes pretty good. I've been out, had potato skins before in the restaurants, you know, where they just fried them up, whatever, however they make them. I don't know, potato skins, but they're good. I like them. Well, it's like anything else, moderation. You know what I'm saying, guys? Moderation, moderation, moderation. I have to be reminded of that by my wife on several occasions about moderation, because when she gives me something that says it's good for me, I eat it, but I don't moderate it. I just eat it. I eat everything, you know? And I think most of us do that. Something that's like, you know, hey, this is good for me. You know, almonds, it's good for me. I'm going to eat it all, you know? But we can't, you know, we got to be careful. Got to take it easy and moderation. So with that being said, guys, thanks again for stopping by. I appreciate that. Don't forget, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Thumbs up always helps. And leave me some comments. Let me know what you're up to, what you're doing, if you eat potato skins or not. And until next time, take care of yourselves. Stay healthy. Eat healthy. Do what you got to do. Live life to its fullest. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you around. I'm out of here. So long.